Hello students, how are you? Myself, Mrs. Tanuja Dhiren Yagnik. I welcome you in this session of e-learning of Standard 7th History subject. Today we are going to study lesson number 11, that is Marathas, the protectors of the nation. This lesson we are going to divide into two videos, and different points will be discussed in these two videos. Before we start lesson number 11, let's revise what did we study in the lesson number 10, that is the expansion of the Maratha power. In that lesson, we had taken information about release of Shahu Maharaj, coronation of Shahu Maharaj, Chauthai and Sardesh Mukhi raids, Bajirao I, Nizam's defeat at Palkhed, Malwa, Bundelkhand. Then we had also taken information about the Battle of Bhopal, the defeat of Portuguese, and at the end we studied about the death of Bajirao. In Marathas, the protectors of a nation, as I told you that we are going to divide this lesson into two videos. In first video, we are going to study the following points. We are going to study new Peshwa, situation in the north, conflict with the Afghans, the Marathas standard on attack, this and the Dattaji's valor. In second video, Sadashivrao Bhau, the Battle of Panipat, Peshwa Madhavrao, Tipu Sultan, the Maratha supremacy rises once again. These points we are going to cover in the video number 1 and video number 2. So let's start with the video number 1 of the lesson, Marathas, the protectors of the nation. Let's take information about new Peshwa. After the death of Bajirao I, Shahu Maharaj appointed his son Balaji Bajirao, that is Nana Sahib, as the Peshwa. Nana Sahib tried to stabilize the Maratha rule in the north. That time, the situation in the north was the Pathans who had migrated from Afghanistan were known as Rohillas. They had settled in the region northwest of Ayodhya province, which is known as Rohilkhand. The Rohillas had wrought havoc in Doab region. On the invitation of the Nawab of Ayodhya, the Marathas had chastised the Rohilla. Let's take information about conflict with Afghans. Attracted by the riches of India, Ahmed Shah Abdali invaded India in 1751. The Mughal emperor sought the help of Maratha as was facing the threat of Abdali's invasion. He entered into an agreement with the Marathas in April 1752. The Marathas agreed to protect the Mughal power from Afghans, the Jats, the Rajputs and the Rohillas. In return, the Marathas got the right to collect Chauthai in the Punjab, Multan, Rajputana, Sindh and Rohilkhand and Subedari of Agra and Ajmer provinces. Accordingly, the Peshwa sent the Shinde Holkar armies for the protection of Delhi. However, on knowing that Marathas were marching to Delhi, Abdali went back to Afghanistan. In recognition of this, the Mughal emperor granted the right to collect Chauthai in Kabul, Kandahar and Peshawar, which were now a part of Abdali's kingdom. Due to this treaty, it became a duty of the Marathas to regain these subhas and attach them to the Mughal Empire. Abdali wanted control over region up to Punjab, which made conflict between the Marathas and Abdali inevitable. Raghunath Rao, who was brother of Peshwa Nana Sahib, accompanied by Jayappa Shinde and Mallarao Holkar, undertook campaign of North India to combat Abdali. The local rulers in the north did not help the Marathas in the campaign as they did not like the Marathas' supremacy. Some of the orthodox sects saw Marathas as belonging to other region and persuaded Abdali to invade India. So, in this way, Marathas were having great conflict with the Afghans, and time to time Maratha defeated them also. The Maratha, let's take information about the Maratha standard on attack. At the behest of Najib Khan, the Rohilla chief Abdali invaded India for the fifth time. He captured Delhi, collected a huge booty and returned to Afghanistan. Raghunath Rao and Mallarao Holkar recaptured Delhi, Punjab and pursued Abdali's army up to Attock and raised Maratha standard at Attock in 1758. The Marathas pushed the campaign up to Peshawar but did not make proper arrangement to look after this newly captured territory. Let's take information about Dattaji's valuer. Dattaji Shinde and Jankoji Shinde were sent to get firm hold over Punjab and to crush Najib Khan. To help Najib Khan, Abdali invaded India once again. In the fierce battle at Buradi Ghat, Dattaji fought with great valor and made heroic deed. So this is all about the first video of the lesson that Marathas, the protectors of the nation. Let's revise which points we have studied in the video number 1. First, we had an information about new Peshwa. Afterwards, we had taken information about situation in the north. Then we had taken information about conflict with the Mughals, the Marathas standard on attack and Dattaji's valor. In second video, we are going to study about Sadashivrao Bhau, the Battle of Panipat, Peshwa Madhavrao, Tipu Sultan. The Maratha supremacy rises once again. These points we are going to cover in video 2. After this, children, I am going to give you a small assignment which you are going to write in your classwork notebook. Till that time, bye-bye. Take care. Stay home. Stay happy. Bye-bye. Thank you.